Hi friends, welcome to Jupiter's collection. My name is Kavita and I'm from Mumbai. I have some rare case coins for you all today. Let's start. Nehru, Mumbai, BU 100. 65, Mumbai 5 paise, UNC 100. Ambedkar, Mumbai, BU 300. 95, Noida, BU 100. Rajiv Gandhi, BU 100, Mumbai. And this is Mumbai Mint Asian Game and Dabbo coin 82. This is set for 300. 63 Mumbai 2 paise BU 100. 84 Mumbai 100. Homi Baba Mumbai UNC 100. 73 Mumbai 100. 75 Mumbai 100. 96 Noida UNC case coin 200. 25th anniversary Kolkata UNC 200. 1990 Hyderabad UNC 300. 2006 Noida cross coin very case coin 200. Cellular Jail Mumbai BU 200. B Lion Chitrandranath Noida UNC condition 300. Madan Mohan this is a Sun and Lotus Mumbai Mint food for all BU condition only 350. 1990 Mumbai Mint BU, this is a single mint coin, very scarce coin 300. Quarter rupee 1955 Kolkata Mint 300. International Family UNC Mumbai 400. Rural Women Hyderabad Mint UNC 400. Plant Family Mumbai BU 200. Happy Child Mumbai UNC 200. Food and Environment Noida UNC 500. 83 Kolkata BU 200. 72 Mumbai 10 paise 100. Small Farmer Mumbai BU 300. India Post Kolkata BU 300. Dhaneshwar UNC Noida 300. Jaiprakash Narayana Hyderabad BU 200 each. Biodiversity BU Mumbai Mint 400. Cellular Jail Kolkata BU 400. Arbindo Mumbai Mint BU 400. Subhash Chandra Bose Hyderabad AUNC 500. UNC 900. Small Farmer Hyderabad Mint UNC 500. 1999 Mumbai Mint, this is a Fat Lion variety rare coin with the clear lion, you can see only for 700. Clear lion, clear date, rupees is also clear in this doesn't get printed. Railways BU Mumbai Mint 200. Asian Games Hyderabad BU 300. Patel Kolkata UNC 100. 2000 BU Noida Mint 200. 2002 Kolkata UNC Dika Dera 200. 2002 Noida UNC 100. Indira Gandhi Kolkata BU 100. English Legend Mumbai 200. Hindi Legend Mumbai 100. Bose Kolkata UNC 100. 98 B Mumbai Fat Lion BU condition, you can see very difficult to get in BU condition. Fat Lion only for 500. Daneshwar Mumbai Mint BU 200. 1950 rare coin Mumbai Mint extra fine condition 700. Extra fine to extra fine plus condition, this is, you can see clear line, everything is clear, no dent damage. ILO Mumbai UNC 800. Gandhi 1 rupee Mumbai UNC 300. 51 semicircle Kamraj rare coin Mumbai Mint 600. You see the 51 semicircle there. Small family Mumbai Mint UNC 300. Quit India Movement Kolkata UNC 500. 86 Hyderabad BU condition 100 rupees each. BU condition Hyderabad Asian Games 200. And Noida 200 rupees each. UNC condition Dabbu coin 82 Mumbai Mint 200. 82 Kolkata BU condition, this also 200. 2003 Hyderabad Mint BU condition 100. 82 Mumbai 100. 85 Mumbai 150. 89 Hyderabad 100. IC Days UNC Mumbai Mint 300. Care for Girl Child Hyderabad Mint AUNC condition 1200 with the clear mint mark, you can see. Rare coin Asian Games Mumbai Mint BU 100. Shama Prasad Noida UNC condition 300. Shama Prasad Kolkata BU 500. Shama Prasad Hyderabad BU 700. Madan Mohan Malia Hyderabad BU 500. Save for Development Kolkata BU 400. Happy Child BU Hyderabad 700. Arabindo Noida UNC 300. Rainfed Farming Kolkata BU 400. Tamil Conference Noida UNC 500. ₹4 B, this is a silver coin 2300. 2002 BU Noida Mint 300. 89 Mumbai BU 1 rupee only for 100. 89 Hyderabad BU for 200. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Mumbai Mint UNC 200. Gandhi Kolkata only for 100. This is Mumbai for 200. ILO Noida AUNC condition 300. Black Beauty, this is with the rotation. You can see more than 1 hour rotation. I think 1 hour or more than 1 hour rotation is there. Only for 600 rupees with rotation, and one more is there without rotation. This is for 500 rupees. Jet Black Beauty, you can see. World Food Day Hyderabad Mint BU 800. UNC for 700. 91 parliamentary BU condition Mumbai Mint 300. Patel Noida with clear mint mark, you can see, and clear legend mint mark, everything is clear. Clear line only for 700. BU condition Supreme Court Mumbai Mint 300. Rainfed Farming Kolkata BU 400. 89 Hyderabad, I think I already put this. I showed already this too. Rural Woman Kolkata Mint UNC 200. Rural Woman BU Hyderabad Mint 400. Equality Development Mumbai Mint BU 400. Food and Work Mumbai UNC 200. Food and Shelter Mumbai BU 300. There are some 5 paces. 1971 Mumbai 100. 81 Mumbai 100. 93 Hyderabad scarce coin, this is 200. 91 Hyderabad 100. 86 Hyderabad 100. 83 Hyderabad 100. All these are UNC condition. 81 Hyderabad 100. 80 Hyderabad 100. 89 Hyderabad 100. Quit India Movement Mumbai Mint UNC 200. Hyderabad UNC 400. Subhash Chandra Bose UNC Mumbai Mint 700. Mother's Health AUNC condition Noida Mint 900. Security Aid variety care for girl child BU condition only for 600 rupees. Biodiversity Hyderabad Mint UNC 800. First war, this is a mule coin 4 bag variety, you can check bag here 1 2 3 4. AUNC condition with luster only for 2200. Forestry Kolkata UNC condition, very scarce coin, 800. World Food Day Mumbai BU condition, 800. Agri Expo UNC condition, Kolkata Mint. You can see this is a clear lion variety. Very difficult to get the clear line, only for 1600. This always comes, this Kolkata Mint Agri Expo, with the flat lion and low mintage coin. AUNC condition, International Family Noida Mint, with clear dot mint mark. You can see the dot mint mark and plus plain edge. Very rare coin this is. Only for 2800. Water for Life Hyderabad Mint UNC condition, 700. Tamil Conference Hyderabad Mint AUNC condition, 300 rupees each. Nehru with mild like off center or die cap, whatever you call. This is only for 500 rupees. UNC condition, this is only for 500 with error. BU condition with clear face, Tukaram Hyderabad Mint. You see mustache, eyes, everything you can see. Rarely you get to see clear face. Hyderabad Mint only for 500. This is inside the sleeves. BU Kolkata Mint Youth Year, 500. 94 A lion, rare lion variety this is, only for 500. See the clear lion, very rare lion variety. 62 Kolkata Mint UNC condition. See the luster, very scarce, almost rare coin this is, only for 1400. Tilak Ki Copper Nickel Mumbai Mint single mint coin with clear lion, only for 1700. 1939 Kolkata Mint UNC condition, half rupee, only for 1500. Very scarce coin. This is a BU condition, A lion 1995 Mumbai Mint, very rare to get in this condition. You can see it's a BU condition, only for 3000 rupees. UNC condition 86 Hyderabad Mint, only for 2400. Not BUNC, GEM UNC and all. This is a UNC, normal UNC. Beautiful condition with the luster, you can see. Only for 2400, very rare coin. 1955 Mumbai Mint, half Anna, rare coin, UNC condition this is, only for 1500. See the clear line, luster and everything, only for 1500. Food for Future Kolkata Mint UNC condition, 800. BU condition Black Beauty plus First Strike. See the small mint mark, you can see small mint mark, clear legend, clear face. Mirror finish, you can see mirror finish, First Strike mirror finish with mild rotation also there, only for 1000 rupees. B line variety, this is waterfall life with mint mark. You can see the mint mark is there. This coin doesn't come with the mint mark. Many coins in B lion, you don't see the mint mark only. It's a rare lion variety, only for 1600. Agriculture, 5 rupees, Mumbai Mint, UNC 800. Half rupees 54, Kolkata Mint 300. 69 Mumbai, UNC 200. 68 Mumbai 200. 63 Mumbai 200. 71 Kolkata 150. 64 Kolkata, this is a single mint coin. This is not UNC, it's but AUNC type. 200. 54 Kolkata 300. Dadabhai Nauroji Black Beauty Mumbai Mint. The jet Black Beauty, very rare in the Black Beauty, only for 1200. Small Farmer Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, rare coin, only for 1000. Mahatma Basveshwara Circulation Strike, M mint mark, check the M mint mark, BU condition, only for 4200. Plant Family UNC set coin, this is rare UNC set coin, BU condition, Mumbai Mint, only for 3200. UNC condition 44 Lahore Mint with almost like 1 hour rotation is there, only for 1400 rupees. Half rupees 1936 Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, only for 1200. Big variety Kolkata Mint, rare coin with rotation, only for 4200 rupees. Very reasonable price with the rotation. 1919 UNC condition, see the disc effect, Mumbai Mint 2000. Tamil Conference type B lion, this is X rare lion variety, Mumbai Mint, only single mint coin. You see there, this is a B lion, only for 2500. Very rare coin. You can see very mild rotation also, I think you can see, or maybe the coin is turned. Anyways, 2500 rupees. Extra fine condition 89 Hyderabad Mint, rare 50 paise, check the mint mark there, Star Mint, only for 2000 rupees with clear line. You can see no dent damage, anything is there, there is no black spots and all, nice condition, extra fine but nice condition, only for 2000. Moscow Mint 2000 F lion variety, AUNC condition, see the condition, AUNC condition with luster, only for 2800. (46) Mumbai George 6 UNC condition 300. 67 Kolkata UNC 300. 61 Mumbai UNC 200. 63 Kolkata UNC 200. 60 Kolkata UNC 200. I have this some 93 parliamentary extra fine condition, but very good condition, no dent or damage, and clear lion also you can see, not worn out, fully worn out or not, very nice condition. You can say extra fine too. All 4 coins for only 800 rupees. Very reasonable rate I am giving. can see 800 rupees. And Hyderabad Mint Bhagat Singh plain edge, full plain edge, 100% plain edge, only for 200 rupees. There is a lion variety, Mumbai Mint, 91 parliamentary. You can see flat chest, and this is, you can see middle line is there. This is like a 3D chest. 800 rupees. BU condition. This is Bolu Mumbai Mint lion variety, C1 lion and C2 lion. Satyameva Jayate is close to the lion. This is far to the lion. Only for 400. Otherwise common this coin only sells for 200 rupees each. So I am not charging extra money for this. This date variety, see the date, small date and the big date. Mumbai Mint, only for 800 rupees. George 6 quarter rupee 1944 set. You can see this is a normal die and this is reverse B die. Whole die is chain. This is only for 1600 rupees. Silver coin. Normal coin price only I am giving it. 1957B and 57C. Normal this is not some lion variety, just like that only I put. Only for 400 set. Lion variety in Black Beauty. Lion set. 3D lion and 2D lion. You can see. This is for 1000 rupees. Shama Prasad Mukherjee. BU condition. Hyderabad Mint. C1 lion and C2 lion. This is for 1400 rupees. You see, I am not charging anything extra. The single coin only I sell 700 rupees. So 700, 700, 1400. This is a bonus because it is lion variety. This is one set. You can see here logos there, their round logos there. In that there is one mark like a A. So in that A, this is has a A line in the middle. This lion one second actually. You can see this is like a A, right? See here, this is A and this you see there is no A. This is inverted V. Okay, this is the variety. It's there in the book also. You can check in the book. It's there in the book also. So UNC condition only for 400. Normal coin price only I am charging 200, 200, 400. So set, I made the set and I am giving it. This is also bonus variety for you. And I have some lot. This is a 25 paise lot. You can see all extra fine condition. And some must be UNC here. I don't know. You see here 1 quarter rupee is there. 67 Mumbai is there. And 67 Kolkata. 67 Mumbai is very rare. Okay, anyway, this is only for 700 rupees with the free shipping. All this is for 700 rupees. 57 Kolkata is there. Mumbai also there. And 67 Kolkata also there. And other dates also there. I'm just telling what is there in this. Only for 700. I didn't count also how many are there. I'm just putting it in the bag and sending it. This is only for 700 rupees with free shipping. That's all for today, friends. Thank you for watching. See you again.